Hey, what's up, guys? Mr. Lidkea here with your first math review. Today, we are going to talk about our fractions. First thing we're going to talk about is equivalent fractions. Now, equivalent sounds like equal. What we're trying to do here is say fractions that represent the same amount. Now, let's look at a couple examples. If we've got 1 over 2, 4, 3 over 6, 4 over 8. Okay, here we can see 4 fractions that all represent the same amount. Okay, now, how do we get an equivalent fraction? Well, a couple different ways that we can go about doing this. We can look at a picture. I'm going to show you how to do it using multiplication or division. Okay? So I've got 1 over 2 equals 2 over 4. Now, what we're going to do is multiply the top and bottom by the same number. If I multiply the top and bottom by the same number, we can see multiplying by 2, I get 1. Multiplying by 2, I get 4. So that's one way that we can make an equivalent fraction. It doesn't matter what number we multiply it by, we're going to get an equivalent fraction. Let's look at another example. One over 2 equals 8 over 16. How did I get there? Times the top by 8, times the bottom by 8, and I get 8 over 16. Okay? Let's go the other way. Let's use division. Eight over 16 equals 1 over 2. I can divide both the top and the bottom by 8. One on the bottom might be a little hard to see, but if I divide 8 by 8, I get 1. If I divide 16 by 8, I get 2. Okay? So multiply or divide the top and the bottom by 8, and you get your equivalent fraction of a half. Okay?